Here on the Iron Range, we have a strong tradition of skilled labor workers and hardworking people. People get up with their lunch pails, go to work every day, work hard, come home, and it's definitely a hands-on community. Right now, not just locally but nationally, there's a huge shortage for skilled labor workers.
We don't have students going into it. Why? Because they actually don't know about it.
A lot of businesses are wanting to expand. They see one of their major problems in their expansion is being able to hire people to come and fulfill those job needs.
We can buy equipment. That's not the challenge. The challenge is finding the people to run the equipment.
Our solution to these problems facing our workforce is a career pathways program in our high schools in the Itasca area. We're giving students an opportunity to pause and think about their identities as future professionals, and then give them some resources and some direction to point them towards a career field that might be a good fit for them. We've decided to approach it from a collaborative standpoint. In manufacturing, 7th and 8th graders are introduced to a gateway course called Intro to Manufacturing. Depending on a student's interest, there's different course options. Right now we have an engineering track, a welding fabrication track, a process operations track, and a more computer science track.
Projects class is definitely hands down my favorite class of the entire school day. The environment in there is so amazing, with everyone's so passionate about everything that they do, and they really care about the work that they put in.
The thing that excites me most about the career pathways is that it's at least introducing students to machining and what it is and what manufacturing is. These jobs are out there. They're high-paying jobs. You can do a 2-year technical degree and have a very, very solid career in manufacturing.
Our students are learning valuable skills that they can then take into their careers, into our businesses and industries within our region. We know that we're better preparing our students for their future.